In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a TradingView advanced chart widget into Notion, allowing you to fully harness the power of live data visualization right within your workspace. If you're someone who loves the functionality and flexibility of Notion, but has been looking for ways to incorporate live financial charts, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's get started by navigating to the TradingView website, where you'll need to locate the Advanced Chart widget. If you're not already familiar, TradingView is a popular platform used by traders and investors to track and analyze stock market trends and other financial data. Their charts are highly customizable and, importantly, can be integrated into various platforms including Notion. Once you've found the Advanced Chart widget on TradingView, your next step is to copy the link to this widget. This is a crucial step because, without this link, you won't be able to bring the chart into Notion. Ensure that you are logged into your TradingView account if necessary, as some widgets or specific data might require an account to access. With the link copied, let's switch gears and head over to Notion. Open the page where you want your TradingView chart to appear. Notion is a versatile tool that many use for organization, project management, and increasingly for tracking and displaying data, making it a perfect match for real-time charts. Inside Notion, click on the area of the page where you want the chart to be embedded. Begin by typing a /, which will bring up the command menu. Among the myriad of options, look for Embed. It's as simple as it sounds. You're going to paste the link you copied from TradingView right into the Embed option. After you've pasted the link, you'll see an option to click, Embed Abstract. Select this, and within moments, you'll see the TradingView chart appearing, updating, and functioning live within your Notion page. This seamlessly embedded chart will now continuously pull in real-time data from TradingView, ensuring you have up-to-the-minute information at your fingertips without ever leaving Notion. This process is not only straightforward but incredibly powerful, as it combines the data-rich environment of TradingView with the customizable workspace that Notion provides. Keep in mind that you might need an internet connection to ensure the data remains live and current. And there you have it. The chart you brought over will provide visual data alongside whatever other content you maintain in Notion, making your workspace not just a place for text or static data, but a dynamic hub of live financial insights. Integrating tools like these can significantly enhance how you process information and make decisions, especially if you deal with markets regularly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been both informative and useful for your workflow.